Where's it at?
It's right here too.
Okay, okay. The
Same,
same
the whole
okay.
arm.
Okay.
Yeah, the same things
So
underneath.
it's probably
the
like
arm.
all a little connected.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll
but
work
other
on
than
that.
just all emotional, all just that's it.
So I feel like the energy's getting like stuck at the throat a little bit. We got rid of a big block that was in the throat, which is good. Just working through the head area.
Like I felt like a big glove surrounding my mouth, like something was covering it.
Yeah, yeah.
And now it feels like it's not there anymore. It's kind of heavy.
Yeah, that was like a big root there. So you felt it like a glove, like covering your mouth. Yeah.
Like a sock on it or something. Weird.
So we got rid of that. That's good.
Tensed up right now.
The arm is feeling tensed up.
Out of nowhere, it started to feel tense.
It's like, oh, I'm next.
Yeah.
There's a huge difference. Yeah, we just pulled something major out of there. It was like in there, like all the way up into your head area. We pulled that out. What are you feeling now?
It feels very good. It feels relaxed. It feels good.
Nice, nice. Yeah, that needed to go. Look, I'm feeling one more point. I want to get like here. I want to get it from back there.
Okay.
How's the arm doing now?
Much better.
Much better?
Yes. Thank you.
Now, how about the emotional stuff that was stuck?
Well, I don't feel like, I feel very relaxed.
Feel very relaxed.
Very
No
relaxed.
sense of like stress or anxiety.
No.
So I did pull. So you do healing work. You do Reiki,
I do,
right?
yeah.
Yeah. So I was pulling a lot of like stuff out of you. For people like us that are very like healers, empathic, we can collect a lot of stuff.
Okay.
And so there was like a lot of stuff in there that I was pulling out. So definitely like much more energetic hygiene, I would suggest. And the way to do that is like run the energy through you, cut any cords from clients.
Okay.
Hot showers with like, I always keep like some salt, like a salt shaker.
Okay.
And like that helps like get any kind of negative energy off of you.
Okay.
Yeah. Just to keep your being clean, because it's getting like clogged with like negative stuff.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you're an empath and you're a healer and you're connected. We're like open.
Yeah.
And so we collect a lot of things. It's like a fishing net. We collect stuff.
Okay. Yeah. Yes. Oh my God. I feel very light.
Yeah. So I like cleared everything from your body. I cleared everything from your auric field. So you should be nice and shiny now.
Thank you.